Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you children? I hope you are fine and keeping well at home. So today I am superior for your Eureka Plus or Standard 5. So last time I have said to you and I have made a video for you about that solid liquids and gases. What is the definition of solid? What is the made up of solid, liquids and gases? No? The one of the matter. See, the three states of matters are solids, liquids and gases. Already I have discussed. So through this chapter, main points today we will discuss. Okay, what is matter made up of? What is matter made up of? So this is the important thing. So matter is made up of extremely small particles called molecules. So matter is made up of extremely small particles. Small particles made up of molecules. Okay. So and then not only man-made thing like a needle or a car, but even though dust floating in the air, drops of stars, gases of the social germs, disease and the mightly some are made up of molecules. So whatever everything. So main point what is there? Let me show once again what is there. Matter is the made up of extremely small particles called molecules. Made up of. Suppose this is the one. Made up of what? Plastic. Plastic is the one kind of molecules. Is not it? Small particles. After that they made plastic. Any kinds of objects after that we got the plastic. After the plastic we had made it marker. Such like books. Before it is paper, black paper. Black paper from where we get? From bamboo. Is not it? So such like this. Okay. These are molecules. So what are molecules made up? What are molecules made of? So molecules made of what? So molecules are made up of atoms which are extremely small. So there are different kinds of atoms. Atom joins the definite manner to form molecules. Is not it? Such like 10. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 6 10. No? So like these small particles. After that it become what? Matter. These are molecules. This is the matter. Molecules and molecules it will become matter. After that matter there will be on any states of maybe liquid, maybe solids, maybe gases. Okay. So next what is the elements are there. Okay. So water molecule like this is shown in your book like this shown. Like this is shown. Okay. Different color. These are same color. This is the another color, isn't it? Here in your book. Here in your book it is shown, isn't it? And different kinds of oxygen molecule like this, nitrogen molecule, hydrogen molecule, sulfur molecule like this. They are shown as by picture. Okay. So elements and components. So elements and components. What is the elements? So definition of elements what? A substance. So a substance whose molecules are made up of only one kind of atoms is called an elements. Only one kinds of atoms. Only one kinds. One kinds of atoms. One kinds of it is called elements. And components what? Components after those molecules made up of more than one kind of atoms. So more than one. This one will be more than one atoms. Understood? So components more than one atoms and then elements only one atoms made up of. Okay? These are elements and then components more than one atoms. Clear? So molecules and three states of matter. So three states of matter: liquid, solid, and gases. Is not it? So what is the thing? So solids, liquids, and gases are the three states of matter. A substance is either solid or liquid or gas at a room temperature. For example, wax is solid. Water is the liquid and carbon dioxide is the gas form. So one is the main thing. What is given? Say substance is either a solid, a liquid or a gas at the temperature. In room temperature, for example, wax is a solid. So this is the wax. This is the wax. This is the wax, pitch of ice, isn't it? Before it was a metal, solid. So after some time it become liquid, as like water. And after that liquid it become carbon dioxide. Isn't it? It will be first and then after that it will become a solid, liquid. This is solid, liquid, and then gas. There will be no. It can't be seen, no? gas. So first of I have discussed along with it, because a solid it has what? Volume also is there, mass also is there, but liquid density is there, no? Liquid, not density, what's called? Volume is there, but mass is not there, isn't it? But in gas, there is only density, no? Mass is there, not volume is there, isn't it? So three forms are there mentioned here. Examples it is given, suppose it works, okay? And the next, what is there? Muscular in a solid, muscular in a liquid, muscular in a gases. Three parts here it is given. Solid, how like it is given in forms here, okay? And the next molecules in liquids, how it's given. And then in the gases, how it's given. Gases, it should be close, no? So details is given. The states of matter can be changed. The states of matter can be changed. How it can be changed? So heating and cooling can change the arrangement of molecules and substance by thereby its state. So what is the states? Heating and molecules move further apart the liquid changes into the gases. So suppose example also given. What are the examples? Let me see here. Okay. What is given? First is given here solid. Solid example, what is taken? Ice. Ice. By heating, what it become? Liquid. Liquid become, that means water become. Ice to water, already I have said, no? After the next become gas. Gas, what are vapor? It will vapor and it will go up, isn't it? Vapor. So already I have said here, no? Before only, this is the chemical reaction of this one. Chemical reaction of three metals: solid to water, solid to liquid, and liquid to gas. Example, ice to become water, and the water from vapor. Okay, by heating or cooling. So suppose this one by heating. If same thing, if I say by cooling, it will be different. Same, it will be ulta. It will be opposite. What is this? So by cooling, first is there gas. By gas, suppose water vapor. Gas, and then by cooling, such in refrigerator cooling, and then what will become? Liquid. So what will become? Water. After that, from liquids again cooling. We'll get solid. Solids. What will get? Ice. This is the one. Ulta or not? So this one by heating, by this one cooling. So by heating also it can be changed. By heating also it can be changed, and then as well as by cooling also it can be changed. So solution, solid and solvent. First up, last one thing is there. Chemical change and physical change. These two things I'll say, and then I'll make it end of this class. Chemical change cannot be reversed. So physical change can be reversed. So chemical change what? Such like, suppose if I say chemical change, a candle is burning. So a candle is burning. Is not it? So after some time it becomes small, is not it? It will become small, is not it? So what is the length? Now what is the length? It will be ultimately small. After some time it will burn and make it small. So after that, once again you will get same this way. Will not get, no? That is the chemical change. Suppose if you get same. Suppose I fold it. Suppose this is the paper. I fold here. So what I'll get? This much I'll get, isn't it? Because of folding. Again if I unfold it, again I'll get or not? Again I'll get same. This one I'll get or not? I'll get. This is the called physical change. That means it can be reversed. We got before one like this only, no? After unfolding. Once I have folded, is not it? So therefore, this is physical change and this is chemical change. So this is the main thing of this chapter. So I am not going to take you a long time. So here I am going to end of my class. Thank you.